You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. Bitcoin is trading at 21.6k. I have been talking about markets coming back to the downside to this very level of support, and on the 4-hour chart, a look at it, I've been talking about markets coming down right from this area. The market comes down off to this very point, and this very channel, I said market is going to break. It happened, and then here I said market is going to break as well. It happened up to this very point of support. What are we paying attention to right now at this very level of support? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Very briefly in today's analysis, if you look at this area, I said market is going to continue back to the downside, and that this very point of support is very critical. And the reason is because if you look at here, we have resistance at this point, we have resistance here, we have resistance at this very area. Not only that, if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool from here to where the market starts from up to the very close of this very candle at this very area, you discover that this very level is an important retracement level of the 0.382. And that is where the market is right now. So what are we expecting in the market? The number one confirmation you need to pay attention to is the MACD histogram. So once you begin to see a reduced momentum to the upside, that means reduced momentum in this case, and the histogram start formation on the positive side with green bars, is an indication that market is going to move to the upside. But for now, still pay attention to the market coming back down. So a breakout here will further send the market back down. Okay, so pay attention to a breakout on the chart right at this area as we begin to see the market on the MACD begin to move right down with the histogram still forming on the negative side of the MACD. If you begin to see increased momentum on the histogram, that is also a further confirmation that market is still going to move to the downside. So this is what you need to pay attention to on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart, you see the market right down. I talk about this market in my previous videos, and the market is going to come back down. And if you look at the MACD, it has started formation on the negative side. This is an indication that market is still going to continue to the downside. Right at this area of support, what I am expecting from this area is the market continue a little bit to the downside, and then we're going to see retracement, because every market that moves in this very formation must have to retrace before continuation back down. So I am expecting retracement from this very area of support, because at this very point we see the market from here move to the upside in the past. So that will not be an exception for the market at this very area to correct before continuation to the downside. So what you need to pay attention to right now is the MACD. Once you begin to see the MACD start formation on the positive side with green bars, and also a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line, is also an indication that the market is going to move to the upside. So pay attention to that to confirm this very retracement to the upside before continuation back down. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the chart. Market is going to retrace, but pay attention to the MACD start formation on the positive side with green bar, and the crossover between the MACD line and the signal line on the chart. So that is what you need to pay attention to. And on ETH, if you look at this very area, nothing has really happened, but market is still going to come back down in as much as the MACD is still forming on the negative side with these red bars on the chart. So expect the market to still move back down a little bit, in as much as we know that ETH is very strong compared to BTC, and that is why BTC is dropping drastically compared to ETH. So I am still expecting the market to move a little bit into this very level of support on ETH. If you look at the retracement tool of the Fibonacci, this very area is the level of 0.382, which is also very important if markets come into this very point of support. So pay attention to markets coming back down on the 1-day chart ETH. And on the 4-hour chart, if you remember very well, I was talking about this very bearish rectangle, and I said bearish rectangular pattern in a downtrend is a bearish continuation pattern, and that is what we see right here. Market will continue back down, and I said this very area is very, very important. I am still expecting this market to come back to the downside into this level of support. And one thing very important you need to understand right now is that the MACD have just started formation on the negative side. This is another further confirmation that this market is going to still move back down. This is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys, on the chart. And what do you think about the market on BTC USD 1-day chart? At this very area, do you think this market is going to break this very level of support and market is going to come back down, or from here we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you're new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, please check the description of this video. See contact, reach out to me immediately and know how to trade professionally on your own. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.